Welcome. Today we will be creating a stunning closing picture in MLB 22 Road to the Show. If you want to create a new player, just press X on Road to the Show to show more options and click Start New. Select a slot and let's do it. Today I am choosing for a pitcher with velocity archetype to throw fast pitches. You can pick break if you want to focus on breaking balls, or control if you want to pinpoint pitches. You will start with 3 standard pitches that you can change later on. I will quickly create a closing pitcher by the name of Brendan Chopper. He will be every team's dream in the 9th inning hopefully. After you select your preferable general information, you can proceed. If you have been playing RTTS before, you can change the loadout and pick some perks to boost your stats a bit. You earn these by playing MLB The Show 22 in pretty much every game mode. Once you are set up, you can add or change the pitches that you would like to use. I will stick to fastball, changeup, curveball, and add slider and sinker. After this you can change your equipment, as this will give your stats a slight advantage. Just have a look around what you have and what you can use in your role. If you go for a pitcher, be sure to pick pitching and fielding advantages, as you won't benefit of any hitting advantages in a normal Road to the Show. Select the use of current roster and you are good to go. In our next video we will show you the drafting process and the start of what will hopefully be a wonderful career.